know what time it is. It's your boy Jambisco. Yeah, today we're reacting to, from you see the title, we're reacting to Lil Mabu, Mathematical Disrespect. Let's get it. What's good, YouTube gang? You already know what time it's your boy Jambisco, Don Life family. You already know what time it is. Yeah, we're back in the music lab for another banger. Yeah, man. This one been highly requested. You know what I'm saying? This one is an artist that's actually new to the channel. You know what I'm saying? This is Lil Mabu, Mathematical Disrespect. It's a live mic performance. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna check it out. Apparently this song and this performance video go hard. You know what I'm saying? Apparently cuz doing this thing, putting up numbers and stuff. You know what I'm saying? I'm not too really familiar with Lil Mabu, but if it bangs, you already know. If it slaps, we're gonna definitely be reacting to it more often. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, we're gonna check out this Lil Mabu, Mathematical Disrespect. Yeah, let's get it.
Yo, Mabu, you really the only independent artist putting up numbers right now, bro. They call me the independent variable for a reason, gang.
Only independent artist putting up numbers? Let's see what's going on.
Oh, that's why. I spend 8 hours a day in school.
Hold on. I gotta fix my ear muffs, cause I wanna get all the effects. You know, when the Scully on, you know, I'm not getting all the, you feel me? I wanna get all of the music. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. I wanna hear every vocal. I wanna feel every beat. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, let's get it. Let's see what cut working with.
School, and I still put up more numbers than these fleas.
Come on.
Oh shit. Like, most of y'all rappers that signed to the streets, only deal that you took was a plea. Mabu your money, Wally P, shout out my label, that's me.
No. Whoa, bro. He said, yo, he go to school and he still put up more numbers than these fleas, bro. Hold on. Why you had to come in like that, bro? First of all, you don't look like this. You don't even look how savage you're coming right now, bro. That's crazy, bro. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, we gotta take this from the top. You know what I'm saying? This is what happened.
Yo, Mabu, you really the only independent artist putting up numbers right now, bro. They call me the independent variable for a reason, gang. Oh, that's why. I spend 8 hours a day in school, and I still put up more numbers than these fleas.
Ooh, word, that's where you coming?
Shit. Like,
let's say coming. Wait for it, bro. I like the beat drop, bro, and I like the lyrics. Come on, did he say the only deal is, you know, everybody. Let's get it.
Most of y'all rappers that signed to the streets, only deal that you took was a plea. Mabu your money, Wally P, shout out my label, that's me. I own 100% of my cuts, bitch.
Whoa. This nigga said a lot. Nigga said the only deal that you sign is a plea. This nigga say, yo, we're doing home. Bro. Come on, this nigga, this just wildin'. He said, Mabu get money while he P. Thanks to the label, that's me, 100. What? He's fully independent? Bro? Yo, come on, man. Don't tell me all y'all black rappers being in the game and then a little white kid jump in the game independent. Y'all, bro, come on. Young Dolph done gave y'all the blueprint. Come on, man. Let's get it. This little just spitting. Come on.
Oh shit. Like, most of y'all rappers that signed to the streets, only deal that you took was a plea. Mabu your money, Wally P, shout out my label, that's me. I own 100% of my cuts, bitch, nobody taking a fee. 3.14159263, I'm the king of NYC. I heard they say.
Yo. The man said, shout out the label, that's me, 100%. Nobody ain't getting a cut, bro. You know what I'm saying? And the man said, this man just gave y'all a pie. Yo, so you say nobody getting a slice of the pie? Hold on. There's so much to break down in this thing, dog. Let's get it. Let's get it. This is the last time I'm pulling it up. Right? I'll mess with this. I'm going to take it from the top. This is the last time I'm pulling it up. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. But he's going hard. This is a Lil Mabu, Mathematical Disrespect, guys. Let's get it.
Yo, Mabu, you really the only independent artist putting up numbers right now, bro. They call me the independent variable for a reason, gang. Oh, that's why. I spend 8 hours a day in school, and I still put up more numbers than these fleas.
There was a day in school and doing more numbers than rappers. That's pro. Like, come on, bro.
Oh shit. Like most of y'all rappers that signed to the streets, only deal that you took was a plea. Mabu get money, Wally P. Shout out my label, that's me. I own a.
Most of y'all rappers are signed to the street. The only deal y'all took was a plea.
100% of my cuts, bitch. Nobody taking a fee. 3.14159263. I'm the king of NYC. I heard they send my music to police. So
3.14 nigga gave you the pie. Nigga said, I'm the king of NYC. Stop playing.
This is a message to NYPD. I cap in my raps, I'm an innocent tweet. Keep a teddy bear when I sleep. I'm rapping the words, but they write it for me. I'm all about keeping the peace. I mean, at least.
Let's say, yo, he's a TV keeper teddy bear when he sleep, bro.
I get paid cause a lot of these rappers be capping for free. They call me the Ock, I got the bread, you check.
Man said capping, but at least I got paid cause a lot of these rappers they capping for free. Come on, bro.
But said, can I bring a friend? Never, never, never. I guess she forgot the bev like 2 5s don't equal a 10.
So can I be your friend? Never, never, never. Yo, never, 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 never. Like she forgot the bev. Come on.
Quick math, don't try it again. She shaped like a turtle or a hen. Her makeup is fucked, she don't know how to blend. Make her do Wordle. She need to have brains if she giving out head. Call her Virgil, cause the way she be blowing shit got me dead.
Yo, no. Call her Virgil, cause the way she be blowing shit got me dead.
Shawty got arc 10. I want to intersect her circle. She like Mabu, I like purple. So I blew her back out when I left her on red. Get it? Cause blue and red equals purple. So I blew her back out when I left her on red. Don't let that go over your head.
Oh, blue and red equals purple. I blew her back out and I left her on red. Come on.
3.4. They all put their knees on the floor. Keisha, Becky, Sophie, Zoe. Texted me begging for more. Blocking that bitch if she calling me bro. If you my dog, then chew on my bone. Lil Mabu the king, switching the flow.
If you my dog, talking to the girls, then chewing my bones. Stop playing.
To all my competition, dig a grave, dig a grave. I invested money in myself and it paid. I can't take a break till my boo is a household name.
Hey, I say, yo, I invested in myself and it pays. Yo, a lot of y'all niggas out here can learn a lot from this dude, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, y'all been doing it longest. Black people been in the rap longest, but these white dudes, these white dudes, they coming in the game and they making the right financial and business moves. You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, they make you do it in the right way, and then coming out old pace and look at Drake. Then you got this dude, you got Lil Dicky, you got Jack Harlow. Like, you know what I'm saying? Their music gonna sell because they white, and all the white people gonna buy theirs because they can relate more than they can relate to the black people, you know what I'm saying? Plus, most of them racist, so damn. Yes, that snaps, you know, Lil Mabu, mathematical disrespect. Yeah, that snap. He went hard on that one, you know what I'm saying? A lot of y'all, he says he's the king of New York, you know, a lot of y'all gonna have to back that up. Y'all gonna have to do more numbers than him, you know. Shit, man. A lot of y'all, bro. Black people, black men, black youths, we need to step up on every level, bro. Every level. Music, you know, sports, education, business, medicine. We gotta step on every level, bro. Because there's people coming in the spaces that's ours and taking over. Like, we gotta, like, dominate, bro. You know what I'm saying? Start supporting each other. Start showing love. Start growing. And let's stop all this nonsense, you know? But Lil Mabu did this thing, mathematical disrespect, can't be mad at it, go hard, real dope track, you know what I'm saying? You guys definitely go show the artist some love and support. Definitely let me know what y'all think in the comment section. And definitely go show the artist some love, so let me know that Jambisco sent you know what I'm saying? Until next time, guys, I was here and I hit that and smash out. Bang, until next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.